So how can you add a shadow in a Capcut? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your iPad, naturally go to the Capcut application as usual, and you'll be able to click on it in the timeline to adjust it and add the effects, right? So you have some options. You can, for example, duplicate the very same clip like that. So you click on the duplicate option. It's going to be then like at the end of the clip, duplicate it again. So you can apply some different effects to it, perhaps like lower down the opacity or make it go like darker like that, right? So you can go to the adjust section and perhaps dial down the brightness or contrast, and then make sure you have the clip selected, tap on overlay and make it go on the top of your existing clip right there. So as you can see, it kind of looks a little bit different. So you can perhaps zoom it in or out and you have like this nice shadow effect, right? Depends on your like goal or what exactly you're trying to do, but I believe that this is like a nice effect. As I said, it depends on what you're trying to achieve with this. Outside of that, you can also apply a mask to that clip and not have the full thing going on in there. So perhaps add the rectangle or the horizontal one like that, and you can dial down the feather so it will look slightly different on the different parts of the clip, right? So as I say, it really comes down to your creativity. So if you have something very specific you want to achieve, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about that because I publish so many tutorials on this channel. So make sure you stick around and subscribe so you don't miss those. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.